Hey, what's up, you guys? I have not been on YouTube in quite a while. I've been working on a lot of stuff, so I'm going to just do a little kind of end of year update right now since it's almost the end of November. And I just want to let you guys know what I've been up to and what is coming in terms of content and stuff for you guys. So first off, before we do anything, I just want to tell you guys that the Easy App Reskinners course is on sale for Black Friday right now. It is only going to cost $47 right now. It normally costs $197, so definitely get on that right now. It's not going to last long. It'll be over the day after Black Friday, so you've got about a week to get on that. I'm going to put the link in the description below. All the old links should also work too. So definitely check that out. There's a lot of value in that course. A lot of people have purchased that course and made quite a bit of money reskinning apps. So definitely check that out. The next thing I want to talk about is what I've been doing recently and what type of content I'm going to be creating in the future. So recently I've been doing a lot of freelancing on Upwork. I've kind of switched, not really switched from reskinning, but transferred a lot of my time more onto freelancing instead of reskinning apps. So you guys should definitely check Upwork out. It's a great way to make money if you have some development skills, because they're definitely in a shortage of developers. So there's quite an opportunity right there. I want to be starting kind of a series on YouTube for how to be successful on Upwork. So you guys can learn how to create like a good biography, a good proposal, which clients to try to create a proposal for, because they've kind of changed their system around. It's not really as free as it was before. When you first sign up, you do get a certain amount of proposals you can give, but after that you have to pay per proposal, usually around like $1, anywhere from 15 cents to $1 actually. Despite that, it's still a pretty good platform, so definitely check it out, and I'll be making more videos in the future. I also want to kind of start like an iOS tutorial series where I kind of teach you guys how to code certain things, because I think that will be very useful if you're reskinning apps or freelancing, no matter what. That'll be very useful as well. The other thing I've been doing besides freelancing is starting up a new Shopify business. I've been working on that for about a month now. It just kind of launched last night. So you guys should definitely check that out too. Just take a look at it. I'm just experimenting with it. A lot of people talk about how good Shopify is. So I wanted to give it a test out for myself, and I will let you guys know how that goes, what my experiences are once I have some more time to play around with it. I'm running some Facebook ads right now, so hopefully it can take off. The site is called K9 Creation. I'll actually bring it up right now. You guys can take a look at this. It kind of sells clothing that is customized for people. It's a drop shipping model. We have an artist creating cartoonized versions of the dogs that we print on there. So it's pretty cool. We donate to the ASPCA. We've got a blog going and a FAQ and everything, so this is pretty interesting. Definitely check this out. I'll put the link in the description as well with the link to the course too. This is just the Shopify dashboard. I might do some Shopify tutorials as well, just in case any of you guys are interested in that. And I just want to show you, this is the Expert App Reskinners course. Here it is, $47 only. Definitely check this one out. Not going to last for long. Teaches you everything you need to begin reskinning apps and make money with it. We've had quite a few students do well with Amazon apps or iOS or Android or all three. Some people have done, but definitely check that out. So I just want to talk about how reskinning is going right now, because a lot of you guys are still very interested in reskinning. So I just want to tell you guys that it's not as easy as it was before. However, there's still a lot of opportunity. I still have people buying from me. Not on Flippa anymore, some of you guys have noticed, but I have people that I've sold to before who still purchase my apps. So I don't even really have to get a percentage taken from Flippa at this point. So that's why it's still great for me. But definitely, if you guys are interested in reskinning still, check out the course. It's still a great way to make money, especially because BidPex is up now. You guys should definitely check BidPex out. You can also sell social media accounts if you guys did not know that. It's been kind of a new update. I just finished it off, and I also just finished off the mobile version of the site. So you can look at it on your phone, you can look at it on your desktop. It's pretty cool. The social media auctions automatically take your last 5 posts and put it on here. It takes your follower count automatically, following count, a lot of cool stuff. Of course, you can put a whole description here and leave comments. And then I've already shown you guys the app selling version, but it looks a little bit nicer now. I've been working on it. I hope some of you guys check it out. List some apps, list some social media profiles, because it's ready to go. No risk in selling. There's no listing fees, no relisting fees. Just put it on there and let's try to get some sales on here. Also, I don't know if you guys know, but it shows like your stats here too, how much you've made, which is pretty cool. Badges, so check it out. I'll also leave the link in the description. So I'm going to be putting the course in there first, then the Canine Creation website, and then in addition, I'll put BidPex down there in case you guys want to check it out. Over the next few weeks, I'm hoping to release some more content on creating iOS apps, freelancing, and possibly some Shopify, Facebook ad stuff. If you guys are interested in that, I might put up a little poll on the Facebook page. And I just want to thank you guys for joining the Facebook group and following on YouTube. We're over 2,200 subs now and 1,000 something people in the Facebook group. So it's pretty awesome. Definitely feel free to ask questions, anything you want to do, and just get into it, whether it's reskinning apps, freelancing, Shopify, some Amazon FBA or something. Just really get into it. Just go for it. I know it's a risk. You could lose money, but it's worth it. Even if you lose money, it's a lesson in the end, and you'll get better at it for the next time you try. So check out the course, check out the Canine Creation website and BidPex, and I'll be releasing some more content soon, hopefully within the next week. So thanks for watching this one, guys. I hope to see you within the next week, and have a good day.